हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम ईशा मैडम फ्रॉम गोल्डन पब्लिक स्कूल। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एनाट्रोपस ओव्यूल देखी। नाउ आवर टॉपिक इज मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस। मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस मीन्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेगास्पोर फ्रॉम मेगास्पोर मदर सेल। हाउ मेगास्पोर फॉर्म? जब एक ओव्यूल, दिस इज एन ओव्यूल, ओवरी के अंदर जो ओव्यूल होता है, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सेल्स इन इट. One cell become mitotic in nature and start divide. When it start divide, the cell is known as the archisporial cell. This archisporial cell divide into two cell. The upper one is known as the parietal cell and the lower one is known as the sporogenous cell. Now the parietal cell become degenerate and the sporogenous cell converted into megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell. This megaspore mother cell divide and meiosis takes place. What is the meaning of meiosis? It means the cell, megaspore mother cell, have 2x chromosome number. Now 2 cell formed and then 4 cell are formed. Now 4 cell, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are known as 4 megaspore cells. Means this is the diagram A, B, C, D, E, F, and now three cells are degenerative. Degenerative means कि वो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं और आगे प्रोसेस में नहीं आ पाते. And one is left. It is known as the functional megaspore. Functional megaspore. All this process occur in ovary. जितना भी ये पूरा प्रोसेस है यानी कि ओव्यूल फॉर्मेशन का, वो कहाँ पर परफॉर्म हो रहा है? ओवरी के अंदर. और ओवरी के अंदर जो सेल्स होते हैं उनमें पहले मियोटिक डिवीज़न होता है जिससे वो 2 सेल्स में डिवाइड होते हैं, अपर पैराइटल सेल एंड द लोअर वन इज स्पोरोजिनस सेल. नाउ स्पोरोजिनस सेल बिकम द मेगास्पोर मदर सेल विच हैज़ 2x chromosome number. Means megaspore mother cell is diploid. Now meiosis takes place. What is the meaning of meiosis? Meiosis means when number of cells increase and also the chromosome number become half, means जो chromosome number है वो half हो जाता है. If we talk about the 4 megaspore cells, these megaspore cells are X in number, means if they have the 24 chromosome number, then the megaspore cell has 12 in number. Chromosome number is 12. Out of 4 megaspore cells, 3 cells are degenerative and the last one become the functional megaspore. This become the functional megaspore and further process takes place. Now, functional megaspore is the first cell of female gametophyte. Now we talk about the development of female gametophyte. तो फीमेल गैमेटोफाइट की फर्स्ट सेल कौन सी होती है? फंक्शनल मैगास्पोर. अभी हमने पढ़ा कि जो हमारे 4 सेल्स डेवलप होते हैं फंक्शनल मैगास्पोर में से, उसमें से 3 डीजेनरेट हो जाते हैं और एक फंक्शनल मैगास्पोर बचता है. वो फंक्शनल मैगास्पोर फर्स्ट सेल ऑफ फीमेल गैमेटोफाइट होता है और इसको हम एम्ब्रियो सेक के नाम से भी जानते हैं. अगर आपको याद है तो हमने मेल गैमेटोफाइट के लिए पोलन ग्रेन्स पढ़े थे जो कि फर्स्ट सेल ऑफ मेल गैमेटोफाइट होता है. गैमेटोफाइट मीन्स the cells which have haploid number of chromosomes are known as gametophyte. So functional megaspore is the first cell of female gametophyte and pollen grain is the first cell of male gametophyte. Now, how female gametophyte is formed? This one is our functional megaspore. This functional megaspore has one nucleus. Now, only nucleus is divided and no division of cell wall is formed. This single nucleus divide by mitosis means chromosome number does not change. This one nucleus divide into 2 nucleus. This is known as the 2 nucleate stage. Now this divide by mitosis and the nucleus shift towards the pole and divide to form 2 nuclei on the one end and the 2 nuclei on the other end. This division also mitosis means chromosome number does not change in the nucleus. This is known as the 4 nucleate stage. Now again mitosis. This one is A, B, C, D, and now these 2 nucleus divide by mitosis and 4 nucleus at the one end and 4 nucleus at the another end. This is the N मीन्स कि जो हमारा फंक्शनल मैगास्पोर बना है वो X ही बना है और N ही बना है, मीन्स हैप्लॉइड है और हैप्लॉइड सेल के अंदर न्यूक्लियस जो है वो डिवाइड हो रहे हैं और न्यूक्लियस भी हमारे कैसे डिवाइड हो रहे हैं? माइटोसिस के थ्रू डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. मीन्स कि जो क्रोमोसोम का नंबर है वो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 इट मीन्स इट इज द 8 न्यूक्लिएट स्टेज. सिंगल न्यूक्लियस, double nucleus, now 4 nucleate stage and now 8 nucleus stage. Now what happen? No division of nucleus takes place but 3 nucleus at one end and 3 nucleus at the another end and one nucleus from the upper end and one nucleus from the lower end shifted towards the center. Means 3 nucleus south pole, 2 nucleus center and 3 nucleus north. 3 plus 2 plus 3. Now what happened? Now cell formation takes place. How cell formation takes place? These nucleus develop cell wall around them, and the central cell have 2 nucleus. 1, 2, 3. These are known as antipodals and they are n and how many in number? 3. These are known as the 2 polar nuclei. Now this is the central cell. This is the central cell and egg cell, and these are known as the synergid. These are known as the synergid. Synergid haploid in number, egg cell haploid in number, polar nuclei haploid in number, synergids are 2 in number. Now how many nucleus are present? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 8 nucleate and 7 celled. 7 celled जो हमारी सेंट्रल सेल है उसमें 2 पोलर न्यूक्लियाई होते हैं. इससे हमारी जो ये स्ट्रक्चर बनती है इट इज़ 8 nucleate and 7 cells. Cell, how many cells is present? 7. And how many nucleus? 8 nucleus are present. This is very important question in your board exam. 7 celled and 8 nucleate. This is known as the embryo sac, or we also known it as female gametophyte. Female gametophyte. If you remember the structure of the ovule is present inside the ovary and this is ovule and this is the embryo sac. यही embryo sac जो अभी हमने बनाया जो कैसा होता है 7 celled and 8 nucleate. This is the embryo sac. These are known as the integuments or micropyle. This side is known as the chalaza and this tissue is known as the nucellus, embryo sac. This is known as the funicle. And if we talk about the embryo sac, the structure of embryo sac is 7 celled and 8 nucleate. Thank you class.